All right, guys, so welcome back to Exotic Car Hacks. And listen, today is an exciting day because I have a new car on the way. And I hope many of you are excited for the unveiling because we are going to unveil it today and you can expect some insane new reviews coming up. Now, if you haven't previously kind of seen the way I buy cars, I always buy super exclusive, super unique, and of course, in most cases, modded cars. And I have been waiting for this for a really long time. I think this is going to be a pussy magnet beyond anything else we have here in the garage. And it is an addition to the garage. It is not a replacement. So I'm gonna take you while we wait for the car to pull up. If you haven't previously seen kind of what's in the garage, I'm gonna give you a very short refresher here. The Dawn is still here, the SVJ, the Pista, the GT3 RS, the 720S Le Mans, and of course the Ford GT, and even more cars at the house. And we have a new addition to the office, which was just redone. I had a $12.99 final edition, and it has now been replaced by the latest Panigale V4 Speciale, which is a really, really cool Ducati. So this is the latest one to join kind of the office decoration. I like bikes as much, but I don't really ride them. So there's more here for decorations than anything else. But we're waiting here. So probably in the next few minutes, the truck driver is gonna arrive and our latest acquisition is going to be unveiled. So hope you're ready for this. Ready? Ready? All right, let's wait and then let's get into it. All right, guys, I hope you're excited. It is finally here. I've been telling you about this new car reveal. You will not believe what is coming on the trailer. I want you to look back there real quick. Just glance at this real quick. Something is about to come out of the trailer. No, it's not about to poop, but it's gonna throw out something and it's gonna be super exciting and I can't wait to share it with you. But hey, guys, come back. Listen, this is the car we've been waiting for. This car is so incredibly exclusive and hard to get, and I hope many of you really enjoyed this reveal. So let's get into it. Guys, so I know you didn't see this coming, right? Like you didn't think that I would actually be this guy and buy a Fiat Abarth. Now, part of buying this car was actually twofold. First off, I wanted something very small to fit in the office as a joke. Secondly, though, I wanted to make a point about how this whole car hacking business works, and I wanted to demonstrate it for those of you that don't understand that you can do this with very, very cheap cars as well, right? And so here comes a Fiat under $20,000. Many of you will say, well, you overpaid for it, and I'm gonna again make that point as well, because I'm gonna document the ability to buy this car, drive it, enjoy it, and then get rid of it and actually make money. Now, I'm gonna also show you specifically something really interesting here. And remember, I know I didn't go broke. This watch is about 5 times what the car is, if not 6 times. The point here is that this particular car I bought without doing a PPI. Now, if you followed any of my training, you always know that I always tell you that private purchase inspections are the most important and coolest things ever, right? I say ever, and they're necessary to make sure you don't get a bad car because you don't want to go into a massive expense thing. In this particular case, I did the unthinkable. I bought a car with 0 inspection, 0 looking at it from a dealer, and I wanted to show you how the little things do make a difference, and if it's good or bad, we're gonna discover that together. So today, let's take a look at my new Fiat 500 Abarth right here, completely customized, that used to actually belong to another collector in South Florida by the name of Fred, who hangs out at the same kind of car events I do, and I thought this would be even a better opportunity. Now, he hasn't owned it for a long time. I did not buy it from him. I don't want to give that misconception or anything else. But I wanted to show you guys this. This is an incredibly interesting Abarth. It's got the wide body kit, it's got the wheels, it's got exhaust, it's got an intercooler upgrade, it's got a bunch of interior upgrades too, and you can see that whole dash, and it is of course a 5-speed transmission. So this is going to be really exciting to drive around town and pick up chicks in, and I know you didn't see that coming. Now again, this is just the beginning. It's not anything exciting like an exotic, but I wanted to go through that whole process and show you. And some of the things right away we can notice that just are an issue on the car before even going through the mechanics of it or anything else is really looking at this. For example, you'll see here the splitter has a bubble and is cracked. You'll see here that this is loose and cracked as well. This is coming out, which is for the towing, but you'll see that the grill here is not done properly. In addition to that, we'll go around the car and see that there is a lot of yellowing from the tape. I was told, once again, this car was perfect, but I want to show what perfect means to some dealers. Is certainly not the same. Again, we'll see that on this side, the paint is coming off the carbon fiber here at the bottom. And of course, as we continue, the rest kind of looks okay on the surface. No real large issues here. We have some extra parts here in the trunk, and of course the rear seats are down. But overall, you know, a very decent, clean, on the surface car, and we're gonna have to wait till our mechanic takes a deep look at it and tells us how cool it is. But we're going to also, of course, modify this a little bit further, make it more appealing to the masses to sell. You can see here the bubbles coming off completely from the top. And this is complete garbage for this. Like, we probably are gonna just rip this off. I mean, this looks like complete shit. Here, see, I'm just pulling it off here because it's completely shit. And it's like faded, it's fucked up, so it needs to come off. So you take all this shit off, and hopefully, again, then you have a much better looking Abarth already with the small stuff off. But I'm just kind of showing you kind of some of the stuff that was supposed to be what I call perfect, and this wrap is completely coming off this roof. You can see that the way it's wrapped, and it's just completely damaged already, so that's not gonna fly. We're gonna have to undo that and so much more. But I mean, right away, you can just see some of the issues with the car. Nothing drastic so far. I think a mechanic will have to be the one telling us if something is good or bad here and what's worth fixing or not. But we're gonna go through that process all together. So today, I just wanted to unveil the car. We're gonna do a test drive of this as well. We're gonna do a review of the 500 Abarth wide body as seen here and how cool it is. And then we'll go through the whole process. I'll even show you what I paid, how it worked, and if we can get it out to the market after we enjoy it for a little bit. I'm obviously not going to drive this that much, but we'll have some fun with it with some cool videos. So stay tuned, more to come on this car. Right now though, I'm going to give you a preview of something because my buddy here, Todd, showed up. So what's up, Todd? So you're on YouTube right now?
Oh, what's up, man?
What's up? So let's go inside because you brought me a really cool watch. We have, again, a different channel at Watch Trading Academy, which you need to check out, where it's a lot of what Exotic Car Hacks is for watches. So we're gonna lock the Fiat real quick and see what watch Todd brought me. So come into the office and follow us in. All right, let's put this in the trash. And you can just lay it here and we'll take a look at it. See, I always sucked at basketball and I wasn't. All right, guys, so look at this. This is the unveiling. I've never seen this myself. He brought it here for the first time. Todd is one of our students from Watch Trading Academy, and he's been an advocate of finding some incredible deals out there. So let's take a look at this. This is a Cartier. This is the latest and newest skeleton Cartier. Look at this. Really, really pretty watch in general. Look at the movement in the back, the see-through movement. Really beautiful all around. This is brand new. Again, comes with all paperwork and everything. Really exciting stuff with the watches because you can make so much money in this business if you're good at it. And we teach you that at Watch Trading Academy, but you can also check out our channel because that's the newest stuff I'm doing on YouTube, just trying to like teach people for free on there. All right, so as you can see here, this is again a little bit under $30,000, but just a really, really cool watch from Cartier. One of the latest that I wanted to vault. Watch prices have been to the roof, so just a good opportunity when it comes to buying and trading watches to hold some of them for the long term, especially as they get discontinued over time. So there you have it, guys. You got a preview of the Fiat. You checked out the Cartier as well that just got delivered today. Otherwise, you're good to go, but make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on notifications, and check out the coming up review of the Fiat 500 as we drive it to the mechanic and see exactly what's wrong with it.